You're sitting inside the butt. Why? You're sitting inside the butt. That's not good. Fuck. Okay, we're going underneath for that. I think I did this tensioner months ago, and it still looks brand new. This car hasn't drove a whole bunch. Other side of the prop rod. Okay. Not very talkative today, sorry. I'm just sick. Just sick. Lost my voice. I have just enough coffee to keep it going. Just enough coffee to keep her going. Alright, let's go around the bottom and start playing with stuff. Next step, we're gonna take that crank pulley off, get it out of the way. Oh, that was fun. That should not have been that tight. Are we gonna have to use a puller? Yes. All right. Oh, I just put that on there and didn't hit the record button. Whatever. There, that's off. I kind of feel like the Snap-on guys. Everybody's hard up. You gotta only buy Snap-on stuff. Whenever I look at this tool, because I bought it for like $230. And then ever since, it's been like $95. Big pain in the butt. It sucked.
Have you ever had bulgogi?
A what?
Bulgogi.
I don't know. I'm not quite sure that's how you pronounce that.
It's good though.
I know that's way too long.
That's what she said.
What is it? Sweet. That's why we call you Rope Dick. Really? I don't want to take the friggin' pressure line off of there. Something sharp up there. There's something sharp up there. Somebody's not having a good day. I just threw a filter through the door and walked away. I've wanted to do something like that a few times. Oh yeah, no, seriously, just threw a filter in, come back and close the door. That's not a deal. Ding, check please. My fingers aren't long enough to freaking spin that out by hand. Yep, there's the firewall. Well, you're gonna stay in there. I don't want to deal with it. That is way too loose. It's tight for fingers. Tight on the fingers. Well, at least that one was tight. But it is. So I'm just gonna do it. You guys get a better view than I do. I'm looking through the strut and the rotor and my arm. You guys got the free space up front there. Oh, I'm gonna have to take the motor mount bolts off. Got that one. That one's next. Yeah, everybody's been sick this last 2 weeks. It's kind of a revolving door or whatever. Somebody's out sick. Oh, well, that was wishful thinking. Oh. Not a whole bunch of room. And the room that I do have is taken up by a freaking camera or really sharp shit. Or really sharp stuff. I suppose I said shit, didn't I? Be able to see much down there because I'm looking at the back of this and I can only see the base of my hand, not even the tips of my fingers. That's fine. This is all gonna be sped up with background music. Anyway, all you're gonna hear. I wonder what that's gonna sound like sped up. Motor mount bolts. Oh, I just twisted my knee. Can't reach through there. Oh. Oh God. That one's tight. Sorry, I might end up punching the damn camera. Oh, that didn't move. That didn't move. Caught my arm, no. Two clicks at a time, that's gonna take a while. And that's just too freaking long. Yep. I think I can get it from up top. on there. Stay on there. Room. Grab a wrench. Oh, damn. Dust everywhere. Oh, get out. Oh. Up against the frame. Perfect. No hole to put it into. Now, cross your fingers. Nope, still need a wrench. 40. Oh, that one came out. Perfect. Just not that guy. Let's see what we got going on. Ew, no. Ew, no. That's still too tight. Still too tight. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do this. There we go. She's out. Hey, remember to tell me to put those back in first before I put the motor mount on, okay? Please. I don't want to hear any excuses like, hey, you're not paying me. I just want you to remind me. What have we got that's still stuck? Grab a little one. Go in there and get that out just a little bit. Well, it's probably the dowel stuck. Probably the dowel stuck. Well, I think she's free now. Stay out of the way. Get over there. Now are you off? Please. Freaking hose in the way. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. Stuck on the damn power steering pump. Turns out I'm just an idiot, and I forgot a bolt. Don't try this at don't try this at kids' home. Hey, there we go. That's gonna be damn near impossible to get back in. The last few times I did this, I ended up taking these frickin' solenoid packs off. But yeah, not really an option. Can I use that over there now? Yeah, that might work a little better.